Okay, Merry Christmas, all of you humbled crowd. Um, as everybody knows, that's my Christmas came early for me this year. Something in the mail today. Let's see what we got. Yes. Yes, dude. The winterized Jordan 4. Take a look at that, dude. Beautiful. So pretty. I mean, this is. I first heard about these maybe in November, or I think it was the last end of October. And I saw these for the first time and I knew they were going to drop. And I was like, and I fell in love with them, man. Just in the picture. Look at that. That is awesome, man. I really wish that they came with some other shoelaces though, because I really think the orange shoelaces would really rock these. You know, I'll have to look. I'll have to look myself and see if I can find some orange shoelaces, man. Dude, these are pimp. These are, well, as Mike Rich would say, these are cleansed. They cleansed. All right. Merry Christmas, everybody, and talk to y'all later.